Hello guys, welcome to another video, and in today's video we are going to talk about the future of the Android smartphone which is launched by Oppo and not by Samsung currently on the market. The phone which is a beast itself. Yes, I'm talking about the Oppo Find X. In this video we are going to cover all the specifications for this phone, and we are also going to discuss this phone's design element, which is one of the most important and crucial part for this phone. So first of all, let's talk about the display of this smartphone. So Oppo Find X have a Super AMOLED display with sizes around 6.42 inches, and it has a 87% screen to body ratio, meaning that this phone has the minimal bezels which can be available right now on the market. Furthermore, the resolution for this smartphone is 1080 by 2340 pixels, which make this phone look very crystal clear and makes the display further more beautiful. And this glass is protected by Gorilla Glass 5. Now let's talk about the platform for the Oppo Find X, and of course it is going to be powered by Android, and the version of Android which it is going to run out of the box is going to be the Android 8.1 Oreo. Furthermore, the chipset which is going to power this beast is going to be the Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 processor, which is top of the end processor from Qualcomm, available in 2018 right now. Furthermore, if we talk about the GPU, it is going to have an Adreno 630 GPU, which is also a beast of its own. So next thing about which we are going to talk is probably the most interesting feature for this smartphone, meaning Oppo Find X, and it is its camera. So this phone has a primary camera which pops up, and it is a dual camera which has a sensor of 16 megapixel plus 20 megapixel, and the features it has is geotagging, touch focus, face detection, HDR panorama. These features are quite basic in all the smartphones nowadays, but the interesting thing is the pop-up deal. The cameras have a mechanism which pushes them up and they goes back down in the chassis of the phone. Furthermore, let's talk about the video quality for this smartphone. So this phone can record up to 160 at 30 frames per second and 1080p HD at 240 frames per second. The secondary camera is a 25 megapixel camera. The secondary camera is also known as the front facing camera, and that camera also pops out of the chassis of the smartphone, which is again a very interesting deal and a very interesting tactic by Oppo to achieve maximum screen to body ratio. Last but not the least, let's talk about the battery which runs the house, and Oppo Find X has a non-removable Li-ion 3730 mAh battery, which in my opinion is just good enough to provide a full day usage, and it would probably provide you more than full day if you don't do a task intensive things such as gaming and streaming media all the time. So this was it from today's video, guys. If you people found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Peace out.